Hi guys, now we repair frequency inverter Altivar ATV71HD37 kilowatts. It's completely disassembled now, and issue is that fan doesn't work. I thought firstly it's because of thermal sensor. It's fully deeply here under all the PCBs. I can show you what's inside the frequency inverter. It's power cord, power how it says wires. It's power plate. It's plate for connection all semisters and IGBT, and there is operation panel. And now I check. I unscrew it and heat separately and check that the resistance is changing. It's working, and put it out. And when all is connected to this board also, frequency inverter on the separation panel shows that it's overheating when I heat it a lot. And I understand that trouble is on the PCB, because PCB which have connections to the fans, these fans connecting to this connector, and it don't give them 24 volts. I start to check what can be here, and there is a MOSFET. It's switching on the fans, and this MOSFET wasn't shorted, but it didn't work. I changed it, and now it's completely work. And if you have this issue also, you can firstly not disassemble full of this machine. You can just open up cover and check this MOSFET, unsolder it and check is it works or not. Thanks all.